Last Tuesday, the Photo 2 class went to the North Shore Animal League for a field trip.
Let's go off to Jackson for an inside look.
Thanks, guys. I'm here at North Shore Animal League America with the Photography 2 class to take pictures of the animals. Let's check it out.
So my Photo 2 students are here to take pictures of animals in the shelter. The goal of this field trip was to get students out of their normal environment, out of the classroom, in a setting that they can control, and also just to get them out into a shelter to have some fun with adoptable pets.
Photography classes 1 and 2 teach students all about capturing and editing images primarily on the school campus. This is the first field trip any photography course has taken. We asked Ms. Shank why she chose North Shore Animal League America for the inaugural field trip.
When I was first thinking about this field trip, I wanted for the shelter to be able to use these photos as a means to help them advertise their pets. I learned that they had a professional photography team, so they didn't need our services. So instead, we're viewing this as a means of community outreach for students to get some exposure to the shelter and exposure to the animals that they have, as well as any volunteer opportunities that are available for high school students. This is our first run, so we were excited to give it a try. I think the students, from what I've seen, have taken some really cute photos. Everyone got to hold some puppies and pet cats, and we've all had a good time.
Thank you to everyone here at North Shore Animal League America, and if you want to learn more, go to animalleague.org. I'm Jackson Daly. Back to you in the studio.